don't need to give her an introduction, but you know what? I'm a fan, so I will. So this girl has several platinum selling albums, sold out concerts, and blockbuster movies na talagang lahat tayo ay palaging nakikilig and we can really relate to her. I mean, personally, I followed her career and she's definitely an unstoppable force. As she grows older, she's even more beautiful, more energetic, and now, of course, she is celebrating energy with the country's #1 iron supplement for adults, Sangobion Iron Plus. So are you guys ready for some royalty in the house? Yes! Okay, give it up for Miss Sarah Geronimo!
Magandang gabi po!
Sarah G!
Finally! Good evening, everyone! Okay lang po. I'm Sarah G.
Kinikilig ko.
Wow! Hello, Miss
Pero sigaw. Relax lang ako. Kailangan calm. Kasi marami yung nanonood. You know, Sarah, syempre parang nakikita ka namin on TV, on screen, and syempre as artista, perfect na perfect. Pero in reality, mahirap din yung life mo. Oo, yung workload mo, nakakapagod. So how do you manage to juggle everything na ginagawa mo?
Pero po sa lahat, magandang gabi po, Miss Patty. Pwede po magkonti lang po ng konti lang. Last March 1, I celebrated my 13th anniversary in the business. Kung natatandaan niyo po, I was 14 years old when I won in a singing talent search called Star for a Night that got discovered by my manager, Mr. Victor Rosario. 13 years of being in the business has been fun at napaka-challenging. Very challenging po. At tulad po ng kahit na anong trabaho, nandiyan po lagi ang hirap, pagod, stress, pressure na makadeliver po tayo ng maayos. Which is why Sangobion Iron Plus has become my #1 iron supplement para po lagi tayong active at healthy. Talagang makakapagbigay tayo ng inspirasyon sa mga tao na lagi tayong energized.
Yeah, I think kasi lalo na pinapanood ka, especially the young women, they see, parang hindi siya napapagod. Kunyari, concert after concert, may teleserye, may movie, diba? I mean, a lot of people look up to you. So, I think it's nice to say na, hindi, kahit si Sarah G napapagod, kailangan ng tulong din.
Oo, kailangan.
Oo, so ano yung na-feel mo, especially since, Sangobion, they chose you to be part of the family. What was the feeling na, now you're part of the family of Sangobion?
Alam niyo po, sobrang po akong nagpapasalamat for all the projects that I have been entrusted with, including itong Sangobion, my partnership with Sangobion. Maraming salamat po. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my Sangobion family for the trust. Maraming salamat po. Lalo pa ako na-inspire Lalo ako na-inspire to live a healthy lifestyle. Eat healthy daw. Try to eat healthy. Magkaroon lang ng balanced diet. At syempre mag-exercise. Ayun, importante.
And I think parang when people see you're healthy and happy, diba parang gagaya na rin sila kasi they're your idol. Okay, now I think we have some questions from our friends, but we'd like to call on our friends from Sangobion to join Miss Sarah here on stage. Of course, we will also ask Doctora to join us. So if we have any questions, at least our friends from Sangobion and also Doctora can answer. Of course, lahat natin kami ay starstruck. We will. Okay, we have the beautiful ladies on the floor. Doctora, kaya-kaya mo, level mo si Sarah G. Yeah, pwede pong Sarah G and Doctora Z.
Hindi lang yun. We share the same G. Camilla, Onimo.
Dr. G.
There's a problem in sleeping, not the academics of course, but his teachers are always asking the twin sister, why is your brother always, most of the time, dozing? That's what the teachers are mad at him because of that, sleeps in school. No, we sleep around 9 or 10, but even so, if he sleeps a longer time, still dozes off. So the teachers are asking the twin sister, should we give him some Sangobion? He's 13.
First is have the blood checking. Your peds, your pediatrician will be able to check normally, if there's workload, nag-stress din yan eh. Kasi may mga homeworks, may assignments, may whatever, plus the activity of a growing boy. May nai-spend din yan. So, practically, this is where it's different. They are more active, they are probably more, how should I say, there are more activities geared towards physical, diba? Basketball, whatever it is, o kung nagte-taekwondo pa yan, kung whatever, no? Small kids now, lahat yata ang klase ng sport, they can tackle. So, it may be that he needs to have a check-up first, and if he goes into the border, meaning kahit man, supplement mo na. Kasi may loss yan every day. Hindi mo masasabi what activity is going to be for tomorrow. So parang yan nagbabanking ka, nagsisave up ka for the future. Because iron can be stored, but it's only a portion. You lose it. Nawawala rin. So even if you take iron, but you have a lot of activities knowing like her and your son, very likely they also lose.
And aside from that, Doctora, he tells us, I don't know how to be happy. We don't have a problem at home. His dad and I we're doing well. Everything is okay at home. The younger brother and the twin sister is okay. But he tells us, I just don't know how to be happy. He's moody.
Those are signs of IDA. So having checked.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor. We have another question here.
Yeah, I'm from Health and Hope. This is for the beautiful Sarah. Okay, what is your advice to our young people about valuing their health, their parents, and their studies? And one more.
Wow! Health,
What are
studies?
Health, parents, and studies?
Yes.
And what are your priorities now at this stage in your life?
Oh, wow! Teka po. Oh, sige, unang-una po, yung pagdating sa health, ano, advice ko sa mga kabataan. Katulad na nabanggit ni Ma'am kanina, no, parang laging, yung anak niya laging inaantok sa class, parang ako nun Hindi. Kasi yung nangyari naman po sa akin nun, lagi akong puyat dahil sa mga racket ko. Bata pa lang po ako, rumaracket na ako. So it's very important na ipa-check up po natin yung mga anak natin, malaman natin kung meron bang problema sa kanila, maayos ba yung dugo nila, at also hindi lang yung kanilang health, kundi yung emotionally and mentally, kung okay ba sila sa school, yung socially, maayos ba sila, baka feeling nila, baka nagsiself-pity sila or whatever, kailangan always i-check po tayo pagdating sa mga ganung bagay. Pagdating naman sa, ano pa ba, sa parents, family, wow! Sa kabataan, we should know our priorities. Unang-unang sa lahat, sa ating mga kabataan, i-prioritize natin. Una si Lord and ang family natin. And then, pag naging adult na tayo, darating na yung pagkakataon na may magiging, may ibang tao na magiging parte ng buhay natin. Darating yung pagkakataon, ikakasal na rin tayo. So, isa sa, wow! Ito na! So, we should know our priorities, di ba? Bago yun, syempre studies muna. So, importante na makadeliver tayo ng maayos sa school. So, health, studies, and then, parents. Yan po.
Yung priorities at this stage in your life, what are your
Yun na nga po, natumbok nyo. At this stage of my life, ang priorities ko po, ganun din po. Unang-una yung relationship ko sa Diyos, at sa pamilya ko, at dahil adult na nga po ako, magpa-30 na po ako, yung aking ding magiging future, no? With someone, aking magiging future with my family, so kailangan ayusin.
Thank you so much for answering those so beautifully.
Don't expect yun.
Yes, talagang deep yung question.
Ayun niya lang ang pag-uusapan ko na. Konektado naman po.
May health naman po. Okay, so next we have a question from ABS-CBN.
For Sarah, ano yung na-feel mo or ano yung pakiramdam na ikaw ang napiling isang gopyo para maging brand ambassador, especially sa pag-create ng awareness para labanan ang anemia?
Yes, very honored na ako po ang napili na mag-endorse ng produkto po nila at maging ambassador nga po to fight anemia. At malaking responsibilidad po ito sa akin kasi maging ako po talaga nahihirapan din makatulog sa gabi, hindi lang po dahil sa workload ko, no? Actually, mas magaan po ang trabaho ko ngayon, pero before, when I was starting, talagang hindi ko ako natutulog na halos because I was doing everything at the same time. May teleserye, may recording, may concert, merong pelikula. So, ngayon na lang po ako bumabawi ulit. Medyo hirap na makatulog. So, importante po talaga yung iron supplement natin. So, malaking tulong po sa buhay ko, sa career ko, ang Sangobion.
As brand ambassador, ano po yung message mo sa public?
Ang mensahe ko lang po ay, yun nga po, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ingatan po natin ang health natin. Okay lang po magtrabaho, pero sobra po ako nalungkot. Gusto ko na pong i-share dahil si Direk Gwen ay nawala na po sa atin. Health is wealth. Pag-ingatan po natin ang ating katawan, ang ating pong health. Kasi anin natin na maraming pera kung may sakit naman po tayo. So yun po. At syempre, manggagaling din po yan sa effort natin. Eat healthy, mag-exercise po tayo, Zumba, choose a kind of workout that you enjoy doing. At importanteng maging masaya. Iwas po tayo sa stress. Importante yan.
From Sarah G herself. Maganda yun. Iwas sa stress. Dapat happy palagi. Okay, one last question. Maybe from a blogger. One of our blogger friends here. Anyone? Okay. Or from the press and media. One more?
I have a last.
One last. Okay, ma'am.
I am a mother, so I have to video this. What can you tell all the children? Kasi ikaw, I'm here because I canceled all my appointments because isa kang napakabait na anak.
Ako, pagtulog
Yun
lang.
talaga.
Pagtulog lang.
Being a Sarah Geronimo, you can do all the things you want, you can buy all the things you want, and yet you still follow your parents. I'd like to take this video so that all the readers of the younger generation can follow your footsteps in dealing with the parents.
Salamat naman po. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na hindi ko ako perfectong anak. May mga